Have you found yourself where you have more than one set of family members under the same roof? Or perhaps you're looking for a property that can earn you an extra income? Well, welcome to 77 Belmont Road here in Parkhurst. Located close to the Riverside Water Development, this unique dual home property has the combination of a 4-bed, 2-bath and a 3-bed, 1-bath home sitting on a community title. Lovingly maintained and upgraded, it's the perfect space for an extended family or the possibility to live in one side and lease out the other. Surrounded by charming gardens and with a setback from the main road, this property provides the ultimate seclusion and privacy. Well, there you have it, 77 Belmont Road, 2 amazing properties sitting on the one block of land. If you want to find out a little bit more about these homes, contact me, Damion at McGrath Estate Agents.